My name is Natasha. You dey watch Talk Talk. Merry Christmas, everybody.
My name is Babatunde Epiga. I dey watch Talk Talk, and I wish you a most splendiferous Merry Christmas.
My name is Francesca from Kinabuti, and you dey watch Talk Talk. Merry Christmas.
My name is DJ Rolly, and you're watching Talk Talk. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Hi there. My name is Billy Sule. I be the CEO of sugarcane.com.ng. You dey watch Talk Talk, and Merry Christmas.
Now we be the Kinabuti family. You're watching Talk Talk.
Merry Christmas.
The Venus Bushfires. You dey watch Talk Talk. Merry Christmas to you.
You notice sometimes, since we be family, we dey joke sometimes.
You see that? Hey,
we dey joke sometimes.
You see that matter?
But you know,
it
dey pay me for inside my heart. If you joke with person and the person no understand.
Oh, mom, come see where my threats they work. Give me five.
I joke
Come
now.
see where my threats they work.
You don't forgive me.
Oh, yeah, take forgiveness pillow. I don't forgive you.
I don't want.
You don't want.
You don't want.
You better want. Leave and there.
See, it's Agbero. Market woman.
You see, they come back on top.
Market woman.
Tomorrow is another
Market
day.
woman you is.
Tomorrow is.
We live to fight another day.
Thank you. It's coming.
All right, look, we just read some of your tweets. Them on top with Twitter. All of us will put one inside any tweet we see. This one at Abdul Malik Karim, you talk, say very correct for her to dress sexy, only for her husband. Reason to keep him coming home all the time for action. You get?
I get
it.
How you take get him?
We get
we get it now.
How you take get him? Now explain.
We get some. For him to keep coming back early. So if he close by 5 o'clock, 5:30, he don't reach. Rather than magic, we know.
Now me day in head.
No, they fair. 7:30, go to enter.
I say 5. You know they know some magic where some people they do. If you don't come out walk early.
Now they relate sexy to inside the house. We mean sexy outside.
That's what I say.
Sexy inside, sexy outside, baby.
For me, just sexy inside the house. Not be
for me, I go one dress so my husband friends go to may your wife hot.
Yes, that kind of one. Your husband go to chase your entire house. Once a friend comes, say, go tie your apart, you enter inside.
No, I go cover all the right place, but when I come outside or we they go somewhere, they see me like, your wife hot.
Now your target Queen B. What is the start? What is the call?
I always give them assignments. Like when I mean assignment, make them talk like you hot. You give them that reason to say me.
Queen B, Queen B, not the kind of person maybe say she go lock all her husband and friend for inside house. She go use food. She go use drinks. Style of them for house. I know one go out.
And what if they start to they love you?
I like kitchen.
Now what's in they talk? They talk the same thing.
No, but you get level where you go reach where you go one bring your husband people close. For me, I don't think say you need to get him phone number or waiting, just conversation based on my husband friend. And as the end, if you want really talk to her through your husband phone.
Okay.
Handle your business. You don't need to. I don't believe you. Or I the date person. Then my boyfriend friend go come get my phone number. What happen? What will they discuss? Oh, my girlfriend go get my man.
You want to check?
What will they discuss? Oh, BB pin. The easiest one these days is BB pin, and it's easy to give person. I beg, no share. Keep your pin to yourself. In short, first block the pin before you come outside.
All right, Amaka, you want to talk something?
Yes.
If they say yes, you don't use all your yes.
I'm telling you, what you want to talk, Amaka? You just they tell me since we.
We not get secret.
That's the question I just asked you.
Me neither.
Yes, now you are the ask.
Why you always ask me question today?
That's simple question.
You.
Okay,
I get something I see.
What you see?
And I want.
Woli, Amaka.
I just see. I get one well through where I see.
Okay.
I can't believe say if you wear them, you go fine. As in, hey, God.
All of them, I say our way out your way now. Cloth way we think say.
Not only cloth, sometimes everything.
Why you won't give we this cloth?
Make me see the picture.
Maybe the picture now we spec.
The picture they.
Producer, picture
we producer.
Oh God! But seriously, to say you see this shoe. The shoe.
Now the Christmas gifts where you want buy.
Yes. Correct.
I sure. I just hope so
Don't
she
worry.
don't go use it in knock your
I go,
head.
no. I go show you tomorrow.
Because
I go
this
show
your
you that-
ginger.
I go show you that shoe tomorrow. Now me personally buy the shoe. I look Uwe very well. Can't understand the spec. The kind things where she go, where go fit am. I can't buy the shoe. Can't say I go parcel and can't give. But I go need to show everybody first if I go
If
carry
they
am.
fit say make we wear the shoe. If they
It go fit Uwe.
Okay, she don't even get to say no for this.
No, she don't get choice.
I just keep quiet and the debate on top of my matter.
Now. Yes.
Okay.
Because I love you.
Okay,
She
okay,
go
make I
wrap
just
and
this
give
last
am to you
question.
next
I just want to
year
ask this question
Christmas.
because of everything Queen B talk. You go like make your man or he very okay, so that's Which one of yours should be this one?
How did she want to resemble the one where we dey wear?
Lie.
Now the model and they there.
Lie.
My booty should not fight.
Lie,
I don't
lie.
try. I get
No, but
I
wait,
get
Amaka, na real snake be that or na the one wey don die or the design and
But
plan
Amaka,
am,
you is a wicked person.
why you give a real snake for Christmas?
See wahala.
Like, seriously?
Person no give you, you complain.
Oh, we know-
Person give you, you complain.
Oh, we no worry.
You is a
Lie,
wicked
We
lie,
go look
lie.
for
Yeah.
gift you wan give
This
Amaka.
shoe resemble that shoe.
No
This shoe
way.
resemble her. Do
No
you know
way.
who has this shoe? This Kinabu A.
Kinabu.
This Kinabu
Kinabu.
A. Let me knock her head.
But no.
Oh, wait, they ask one question. You been they ask say you go from the question where I
Okay, maybe I go ask you
Now your
tomorrow.
punishment
Okay.
be that.
Time to actually go. Go ask you tomorrow. All right. She does scatter your hair.
Don't mind
All
that.
right, time to wish for us to come on. Time to actually wish for us to come up for inside the studio. Say you enjoy yourself with us. Tomorrow we go get one Kajat guest. We go join us inside the studio. So no worry. Guests will actually join us inside the studio tomorrow. I know say you don't miss all those our Kajat guests then. And Tosi Martins will join us tomorrow. And we go talk about plenty things.
Tèmi, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, olólùfẹ́, ojú kan, ṣàlàdà mi. Kò sóhun tó yẹ wá.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
This is now the talk choir from Top of Zobia.
So Tosi Martins tomorrow go join us inside the studio and we go catch some fun. But for me, myself, and more, I tell you, say, make every day happy day for you, no matter what you face, no matter whether say job not there, wife not there, pikin not there, money not there. Just make sure say smile day your face, because when you they smile, now then you they day younger. People where they frown, they day older. So I beg, make sure say smile, you come out for your face. My name is Uwe Ehigamuza, and I tell you say make you now get better day.
Well, for me, I go tell them, I say, if you they marry, you they date anybody, no do any join anything. Your money na your money. In money na our money. Make you spend them. And make you also make sure.
Hell.
Make you also make sure, say, when the special man don't come, hello,
How
dress
are
sexy,
you?
no be trashy. Anything it takes to be sexy. On point, my name is remain Betiana Nweli. Bra! Before I'm go tip am.
Anyways, every day is a Christmas where I dey consigned. So Merry Christmas in advance. I can't wait for Christmas. As Betiana talk, brah, my name now.
Copy.
Yes, according to wetin Betiana talk, say to dress well, no mean say you so trashy different from sexy.
Yes.
So define who you be, find yourself inside your dressing, know wetin fit you, dress am well, wear am well, know the clothes to wear, know wetin you no supposed to wear, even the hairstyle wey you no supposed to wear. All right, my people, my name is still remain Queen B, and I say bye-bye, make we continue to talk tomorrow.
And as we always they talk, say to talk, not be bad thing, but
Make you know what you talk about.